Welcome to another video lecture on FPGA based signal processing. I am Dr. Vinod. So the question they have asked is they have given the autocorrelation R is equal to 1 0.2 0.211 and cross correlation P is equal to 0.1 0.2 with respect to steepest descent algorithm. So R minus lambda I. So you have to subtract the diagonal term by lambda. Okay, so 1 minus lambda and 1 minus lambda. So for that you have to take the determinant in order to find the eigenvalue. So 1 minus lambda the whole square minus 0.4, that should be equal to 0. So I can write 1 minus lambda is equal to plus or minus 0.2. So lambda is equal to 1 minus 0.2 or 1 plus 0.2. So that is lambda is equal to 0.8 and 0.2. So these are the eigenvalues. So now to find the step size 0 which is less than nu, where nu is less than 2 divided by lambda max. Lambda max I will use 1.2. So if we substitute 2 divided by 1.2, it is 1.66. I think so. So that's all about the first problem. The second problem, so this is a program. So they are given always at positive edge of the clock peaking. So in the above term you have a module and all. So they are given code 7 is 0 is equal to code 15 is to 8. So the code is a 16-bit code. So code 15 is to 8, that is equal to code 7 is to 0. So here is equal to represent the blocking statement and end. Okay, and inside the initial block you have hash 100, code is equal to 16 hexadecimal, that is ABCD. So here AB is nothing but your MSB, that is from 15 to 8, and CD is from 0 to 7. So so this code 7 is to 0, now it becomes AB because code 15 is to 8 is AB. And since code is now code 15 is to 8 is code 7 is to 0, so 7 is to 0 is EAP. So at the end you get the code of 15 is to 0 as EAP. Okay, so the same question you copy and paste it in the next question. So instead of blocking statement, if I use a non-blocking statement, what will happen? Okay, so non-blocking is greater than or equal to. So here this non-blocking statement is called as late assignment, and blocking statement is called as immediate assignment. So here rest of the codes are same. So here since 15 is to 8 is AB, it is assigned to code 7 is to 0. So code 7 is to 0 initially is CD, so that is directly applied to code 15 is to 8. So code 15 is to 8 is CD. So the answer is CD AB because code is from 0 to 15, right? So next problem is y1 is equal to hash 5 in and y2 is equal to hash 5 y1. So you have to draw it in the with the help of T flip-flop. So here it is a blocking statement. Since it is a blocking statement, you know the y1 value after 5 nanosecond only get assigned to y1. Okay, so this input to the first D flip-flop after 5 nanosecond you will get the value of 5.1. So this is and you have a clock, right? So and you know that the y1 is assigned to y2 after 5 nanosecond, right? So there is a difference with this one. Okay, so previous value only it will take, by the updated value will not be taken here. So therefore I am going to apply Marston's slate answer, like I'm going to apply inverter to the clock. So now whatever the updated value of I1 will be stored in Y2. Okay, this is called as blocking with the help of blocking statement. So suppose if I use a non-blocking statement, I have to use a greater than or equal to. Now it does get immediately applied, so therefore I don't need a inverter at the clock. So this is a difference between the blocking and the non-blocking statement. So at blocking statement is the updated value only stored in Y1, and Y1 value gets stored in the Y2. So if it does not, means it is non-blocking statement. So now let me go for the next question. So the question is, if A, B are my input, and AND of 0, OR of 0, NOR of 0, NOT of 0, XOR 0, XOR is 0, my output, right? The module I have initiated. So the RTA resistor transistor logic, it contains how many gates. So it has AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, and XOR gate. Okay, so in addition to that one, I'm going to use 3 NOT gate, 3 inverter. Inverter means a NOT gate, so one for NOT gate and one for OR plus NOT is NOR, XOR plus NOT is XOR. So the technology schematic consists of how many 2 input LUT is required. So for AND, OR, XOR, and XNOR, and NOR. So you require 5 2 input LUT and 1 LUT for NOT gate. So here it talks about only the number of inputs. So what is LUT? LUT is nothing but a lookup table.